paying? 70,000. But that one is furnished. This one is furnished.
No.
This one is not furnished. So you have your
I
just furnished out.
start furnishing.
Okay.
Most
Okay.
stuff, but not everything.
Okay. So in my estate, I'm furnishing. We have empty space. And it's a good day to live here. It's very secure. It's better than here. The kids have plenty of fun. We have a pool. And, international school is just here. So you're planning to stay?
I'm hoping to see if I can figure it out. If I can figure out how that works, if I can navigate, if someone can tell me what to do.
Yeah. And also,
That's why I have to reach out to you because I know you've been here, so you have more.
And also, so, you know what I mean?
That's what I need to hear.
Let's go through the process.
Yes.
So you can share your testimonial.
For
so
sure.
That, so other people can come.
For sure,
Come
for
back
sure.
to Alkebulan.
Yes. I'm here.
Here.
Yep,
All
I'm here.
Okay. All right, Lion.
Darren?
So let's go.
Ready.
Yeah, family. So we're actually with Monique, and I'm showing her the actually, the bed seat at the loftel. As you know, it's important for you to actually know where to find homes to purchase and stuff. So I just decided to show it to them so they can see what's available in Kenya. She have her 2 kids with her, and we just decided to show her. Yeah. So there's no light, I think, but this is just a showroom at the moment. So, and them have 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, and 3 bedroom. So we'll show you those, and then you can see they have a balcony right there and stuff. Yeah, family. So, and this stove now they'll put the stove right inside here. Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah. Today. Okay. Yeah. Alright, Susan, you can take over now. Hey family, so there is no light today, but just me. Destiny, you like the bathroom? Yeah, family, so we're actually looking at the 1 bedroom and stuff for it. That's the 1 bedroom family, the 1 bedroom. That's the washing area. Yeah, guys. Also, there's a pool and gym downstairs. Yeah, there's a pool and gym.
We can see a 2 bedroom as well, but it's not furnished. Oh.
It's very spacious. This is what you need for the family.
Yes, for sure.
Yeah, the kids can have this so spacious. Spread out, yeah.
That's the master room.
Yeah. So you like this one, Destiny?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Oh, you like this one? It's nice, yeah. Spacious. Yeah. Very. Yeah. 2 balcony. Yeah, family. So as you can see, this is a 2-bedroom at Loftel. They're going very fast. So if you're watching this, link up with Jam Tours. Yeah, family. So this is a three bedroom. 3 bedroom. So this is nice. So this one has the view. View of this one is very. Bathroom. Look at the view, family. Look at the view. This is a washing area. Yeah, family. So as you can see, this is a 3-bedroom. And it's not much 3-bedroom. It's a small amount of 3-bedroom on this apartment. So, yeah. Hey, Dong. How you doing?
The 3 bedrooms are here.
They're facing the view.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Just like the 3 bedrooms.
Yeah, man.
So
Yes.
we have the first floor. So we have second floor. Is 8 still available?
For 3 bedroom? Yes, because of just the another is on the 8th floor, so it's okay. Who pay first? Okay.
Who pay first? First, yeah.
And the 8th floor, because are the true units
Available. Wow. Wow. You hear that, guys? Very fast. Yeah,
So we
very
can have a seat and know about the payment plan.
So, yes, this is to record. So waiting for us to go for master, so I can start this. Waiting for master.
okay. Well, he's fine. He's actually saw it up already. He came already, yeah. Okay, so yeah.
So 3 bedroom, yes. Is that 3 bedroom?
Yeah.
Okay. So 3 bedroom, now this sample is the 3 bedroom. 11.5 million. You pay 30%.
Today?
11.3. You pay 50%. 11.1. You pay full cash. 10.4. Oh, this one, I see. But the way up is can take it home.
Oh, perfect. So here, because I was intending first,
Yeah.
so I have some stuff in my head.
Mm-hmm.
They don't have issues with foreigners making purchases.
Yes.
You don't have to have local.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay.
Same
You
here.
know where I'm coming from.
Yeah.
It's different, so I just have to verify
Yeah.
that it's not the same